Part 4. Let us practically understand what is Duty Drawback scheme. Accounting entries for Duty Drawback. When DBK is receivable. Debit. Duty Drawback receivable account. Credit. Export incentive income account. When DBK is actually received in bank. Debit. Bank account. Credit. Duty Drawback receivable account. You may also club this income under other operating revenue in your profit and loss account as per Schedule 3. Common mistakes exporters make. Not declaring DBK intent on the shipping bill. Misclassification of HS code. Wrong bank account mapping. Delayed EGM filing by shipping lines. Non-submission of BRC to AD, authorized dealer, bank or ICE gate. Avoid these to ensure smooth credit of DBK. Like, share and subscribe.